Hey, Tom here with Water's Choice. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about test strips. So a lot of people ask us the question of how do they test the water, what do they do? I want to talk about a few key issues with test strips before we talk about that. Somewhere on the bottle is going to be a date that tells you if those test strips are good or not. You want to make sure you check the date and make sure your test strips are always within the date range of the test. The other thing is read the directions. Every test strip has different ways you do them. Some of them you dip it, pull it out, and you wait 15 seconds to read. Some of them you dip it, you pull it out, and you read immediately. So they're all a little bit different. The test strips that we sell here at Water's Choice, you dip in the water for 2 seconds, remove with the pads face up. Now you want to do that on all test strips because you don't want water to run down from your hand onto the test strip to possibly change the result. And then you shake once to remove the excess water and read immediately on our test strips. So now another key thing is don't have wet fingers when you put your finger in the bottle so that you keep them dry, and always close the cap right after you do it so you don't risk ruining your test strips. So now we're going to test the water. So we dip it in the water. We want it down about 6 inches. We want to swirl it twice. We're going to pull it out and we're going to read it immediately. Now in my spa I am low on chlorine because I don't put chlorine in my water very often. Like the pH is, it looks like our pH is a little bit high, so we're going to be lowering our pH today. And our alkalinity appears to be probably pretty close to in range on the alkalinity. So we'll be adding a little bit of pH decreaser in there today to bring my pH down just a little bit. And other than that, things are good in my spa. Thanks very much. Have a great day. We'll talk to you next time.